Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to solve a section C question from real numbers chapter. Now this question had appeared in 2024 board examination paper. In a teacher's workshop, the number of teachers teaching French, Hindi and English are 48, 80 and 144 respectively. Find the minimum number of rooms required if in each room the same number of teachers are seated and all of them are of the same subject. Now let us try to understand the question first. So there is a workshop in which French, Hindi and English teachers are participating. So these are the number of teachers who are going to participate. So for the workshop, we have to look for minimum number of rooms in such a way that same number of teachers should be seated in each room and they should be of the same subject. Now here, since we have to find out minimum number of rooms, we have to accommodate maximum number of teachers. So here we need to find out the highest common factor. So this is one of the keywords which will help you to understand whether you have to find HCF or LCM, that is minimum number. And the second keyword you can look for is same number. Now how to find out whether it is a HCF question or LCM question, I have explained in this video. So you can click on this link and check the video. Now coming back to this question, let us write, since minimum number of rooms are required, then there should be maximum number of teachers in a room. So we are going to prime factorize the number of teachers given over here, starting with the number 48. So let us use prime factorization method, starting with the smallest prime number, which is 2. So 2 is going to divide 48, that is 2, 24 times is 48. Now 2 again divides 24. So 2 12 times is 24. 2 again divides 12, that is 2 6 times is 12. Now 2 divides 6, that is 2 3 times is 6. Now 3 is a prime number, so it will divide itself, that is 3 1 times is 3. So these are all the factors of 48. So here we have written all the factors of 48, that is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Now let us prime factorize 80, starting again with the smallest prime number, that is 2. So 2 40 times is 80, 2 20 times is 40, 2 10 times is 20. Now 2 5 times is 10. And 5 is a prime number, so 5 divides itself. 5 1 times is 5. So these are the factors of 80. Now finally let us prime factorize 144, starting with 2. So 272 times is 144. 236 times is 72. 218 times is 36. 2 9 times is 18. Now 9 goes in the table of 3, that is 3 3 times is 9. And 3 1 times is 3. So these are the prime factors of 144. Now let us find out the HCF of these three numbers. So we have to pick out the common factors which are present in all the three numbers. So we can see 2 is a common factor which is present in all the three numbers. Now there is another 2 over here. So let us circle it out. Now there is a third 2 which is common in all the three numbers. And there is a fourth 2. Now rest of the numbers, they are not common in all the three numbers. So our HCF is going to be 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which will give us the HCF as 16. Now once we have got the HCF, to find out the total number of rooms that we require, we have to divide each of the given number by the HCF. So let us write here. So here number of French teachers divided by the HCF plus number of Hindi teachers divided by HCF plus number of English teachers divided by HCF. Now 16 divides 48, that is 16 1 times is 16 and 16 3 times is 48. Now 16 and 80 go in the table of 8. So let us take the highest number. 8 2 times is 16 and 8 10 times is 80. Now 10 gets divided by 2, that is 2 1 times is 2 and 2 5 times is 10. Finally for the English teachers, let us consider the table of 8 again. That is 8 2 times is 16 and 8 1 times is 8. We get a remainder of 6 here. So 64. So 8 8 times is 64. Now here 18 gets divided by 2, that is 2 1 times is 2 and 2 9 times is 18. So the total number of rooms required is going to be 3 plus 5 plus 9. And 3 plus 5 plus 9 gives us the answer as 17. So these are the minimum number of rooms we require for the workshop. I hope you have understood all the steps and liked the video. And if you found this video useful, then check out this playlist where you'll find more examples of this kind. And if you're liking my videos, like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.